It was going on YouTube. It's your boy Ceejaybrand, and we are finally back with another video today. And today we're going to be unboxing some brand new headset that we did pick up for free. You know, you can't go wrong with anything that's for free. So we went ahead and picked up these Morpheus wireless. These are the stereo headsets. Pretty much what you do is, if you ever, got Micro Center or whatever, I guess if you just search up on the internet, to search up Micro Center, look up on one of your social medias on Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, whatever you have, and then you may find out that you can get one of these for free. So that's what I did. Basically, with just a penny, they waived that penny for me, so we got it right here for free. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. And this right here is the Morpheus wireless headset. Definitely enjoyed that little clip. So like I said, these are the Morpheus headset. These things they are cheap. They were only like $19.99. I did look at it in someone else's YouTube video just to check to see what actually was going on with them, but I didn't find these right here. So this right here is compatible with the iPad, any Apple product. I need to see iPad, iPod, the iPhone, even Android devices as well. It just must include like a Bluetooth connection figure with it. So this right here definitely requires you to have Bluetooth version 4.2. I am just reading it right off the box, so sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. So like I said, this right here definitely requires you to have Bluetooth version 4.2. It also comes with a standard 3.5mm jack as well. So if you don't have Bluetooth on your phone, or say for instance if this thing might die, then just take the aux cable that it comes with and just hook the bad boy up or whatever. I can't use it because I don't have a 3.5mm on my iPhone 12, unfortunately. So, but I do have the adapter, so who knows what we're gonna do with it. Another cool feature about this as well, it also includes a one-touch media control as well. So pretty much similar to any other headset as well. Just got that one little touch, press up for volume up, pause the song, volume down. It also includes, let's see, you got the play and pause button on there. Yeah, that's pretty much it with the one-touch feature. Something that I've learned that was pretty weird about this, it says it comes with like it's a trans flash card, also known as the micro SD slot. So I was like, I don't know what that would be used for. So I did a little bit of research or whatever, and it seems that you can pretty much depending on what size you purchase, you can, I guess, upload music on there and then put it like that. It's basically just like having your own CD. Back in the old days, some old little CD players or whatever. So I guess you just upload music on that little micro SD, hit that thing up to it, and then boom, you got your music right there. So I'm pretty sure that like I said, this thing right here may be able to hold up to 32 gigabytes. I'm not ever going to put that up to good potential, so I don't use it. So also some more cool features about this as well. It definitely does include a Bluetooth, not Bluetooth. So another cool thing about this as well, it definitely does include a built-in microphone as well. So it looks like it's right there. So a cool thing about this is, maybe you'd be able to use it for your gaming headset or whatever. I got the Turtle Beaches, so I can't, plug that in. I don't even know why I brought that up. I just thought about what did I bring that up for. Has nothing to do with it. So anyway, so 3.5mm jack, hook that aux cable up right to that bad boy, or even this one right here, hook that up to that little hole right there, and maybe you'll be able to do something with that. With these headsets, I'm not, gonna definitely test out both of them. I'm gonna test out the sound quality in this video, and I may just jump into a party right quick just to see if there's a lot of reaction to it, but who knows, hopefully not. Hopefully everything is definitely going to be good with it. These right here also has noise isolation, so I guess for $20 to get noise cancellation out of it. Has a padded headband on it, one touch as well. Also, like I said, it includes that little micro SD thing. Like I said, I'll see if I can find one right quick for you guys to show you. But if I have one, I'll definitely let you know, because I do have something around here for something else. I got a little drone or whatever. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy right quick. I just want to show you guys that I am unboxing it. And also, before I do that, please make sure you guys do me one big favor. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, man. We're already at 1.7K subscribers. I'm trying to hit 2K subscribers, and the second I do hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing a vlogging giveaway where we will be giving away, most definitely going to be either green, we're going to be doing a green screen and also a ring light and also a microphone. You will just need to have your own camera. Well, like I said, you can just use your phone, you know, do something like that. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Here we go once again with this beautiful knife. This beautiful, I don't even want to call it a knife, but it's a knife. Got this, like I said, from M-Tech for sure. It's so beautiful and classy. So let me go ahead and pop this open for us. So I really don't expect to, you know, do anything that major to it, I guess. I might just end up ripping the box just because. So I mean, it's like it's a cheap box, but we went ahead and got that bad boy open. M-Tech can go up or on the side of me. All right, cool. So wow, box stink. So here we go. This is what's inside the box. I mean, like I said, it's only $20. I was expecting at least, you know, that little plastic thing to hold the headphones in, but I guess they said, man, we give you for free. You get it for $20. You ain't gonna get nothing else. So let's go ahead. Oh, okay, cool. I guess we do got something. I don't know. It's a weird shape, I guess. So at least we got this right here. So it's whatever. But yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead and just look inside right here one more time. So this is what I showed you guys earlier. So it looks like we have the USB cable in there and also a user manual and also a aux cable as well. I haven't used the aux cable honestly since I had my 2004 Hyundai Sonata, Accent or whatever you guys call it. So probably won't use it. And yeah, here goes the headset. These look exactly what I thought it was gonna look like. Cheap. They're flimsy. They're not reversible. Like, I'll show you guys what I mean by reversible. Like, these headsets right here they can do this, you know, well, they only come this way. So these headphones definitely do not have that feature, unfortunately, which isn't a bad thing, I guess. It looks like it is kind of stretchy. Also has that, you know, that little cotton right there, but it's not that thick. So I guess these are used for people with small heads because you said enough. So yeah, there we go right there. Right here we have our 3.5mm jack. Looks like those two holes right there on the side are most definitely going to be like the built-in microphone perhaps. Also has a USB connector right there. And then also the one-touch button. So it looks like on this right here we have the volume up and the play button, and also the power button, also the volume down and the stop button. Or that may be the play button and the other one maybe vice versa. And then here goes that trans flash or micro SD feature that they were referring to as well. So let me go ahead and hook these things up right quick. I'm just going to, you know, just test it out. Test out the sound quality of them. So yeah, let's see. Right, left. That's a good thing about it right here. Let me go ahead and see what's going on. I'm going to finish unboxing before I actually test it out. I got my iPad right here below me as well, so I've learned something from Think Media. Big shout out to them, man. They've helped me out a lot. I've just been watching their videos. That's why I haven't been that's why I've been posting, but not really posting. Like, I'm trying to do something different for like video quality and sound quality. I just want to make sure all my videos are looking authentic and real good. Like, my background looks a mess right now because I'm in college and this is all I can do. I can't put anything on the wall. I got some LED lights in front of me, but I don't like them. It looks a mess. It looks like a train wreck. So, so we're not going to talk about that. But here goes the USB that they gave us for this right here. So I guess we're going to use this to charge it up. And then here goes the aux cable. So I'm going to just use the aux cable for my iPad record. I don't want to, don't want to Bluetooth it just yet. So, alright, cool. Let me make sure there's something right there, because this thing doesn't show me, like, what's the battery life on here at all. No, it doesn't have a battery life on here. That's strange. Yeah, there's no battery. It says it's a built-in lithium battery, so I guess I'm just going to say, since they don't have anything on here, I'm going to say that you probably get like 5. I'm just going to say 5 hours of battery life, at the minimum 2, just because it's their fault, man. It's your fault, Morpheus. You should have put something on here, but Alright, cool. Let's see if we're on. This is the left ear. Okay. These aren't the best of the best headphones. Like I said, they're only $20 or whatever. Let me just take everything out right quick. They're only $20. I mean, they're pretty good headphones for like kids, I guess. I definitely would not recommend. I definitely would not recommend these headphones at all for like professional use, because these aren't it. Like I said, these are like small. Like, look at this compared. I just have to keep bringing the Turtle Beaches in just because. I mean, like, I can bring some beats into it, don't matter. But look at, compare this earmuff to like, I can't even hold it right. Compare these earmuffs together. Like, look at that. Like, it can freaking fit inside of it basically. Like, this is horrible for like adults. So definitely, like I said, I would recommend these only for like, if any parents are looking, I would definitely go get these for kids. The sound quality is it's okay, but it's not like I said, I just can't recommend it for adults just because. It's okay for kids. The bass on here is actually good. I'm going to test the microphone out really quick. I don't even know how I'm going to do that, but I'm going to test the microphone out just to see. Yeah, let me go ahead and put these back on right quick. I'm going to start a quick old party up right quick. Alright, cool. So we back. Sorry about that. I had to join something. So I'm going to ask my cousin to give me a review on these headphones. So let's see. Just gonna wait. I actually don't even see my microphone on here talking. I'm in the Xbox chat right now. That's proof that I'm here. I don't even think that he'll be able to hear me. That definitely right there was an epic fail. I just had to cut out some videos because I wasn't happy with it. I mean, it says it's a built-in microphone on them. So to answer some questions, can this work with a gaming setup? No, not one bit. Negative. These may work for your phone. I'm not gonna call nobody because it's, what time is this? Like, it's midnight right now, but I don't know. These are, yeah. That's all I can say about it. They alright, but the quality wise, for music quality, that is okay. I would say, like I said, it's fine, but I would definitely not recommend it for adults once again. So if you are a child and you want some headphones, ask your parents to go pick you up some of these Morpheus Studio, or actually I'm going to call these Morpheus wireless stereo headphones instead. You can pick them up at Micro Center for just $19.99. Or what you guys can definitely do is go ahead and drop some comments down below, and I will go ahead and pick one lucky winner to go get. I'll go ahead and buy a brand new pair. I'll go ahead and destroy these, honestly, just so stop the germs or whatever. I'll go ahead and buy a new pair for you guys. If you guys really want them, just comment down in this video below, and I'll go ahead and buy you a new pair of these Morpheus wireless stereo headsets and just give them away for just showing us some little appreciation. So definitely do that for us. And that's all we have for today's video. So if you guys like this video, definitely enjoyed it. This is one of our longer videos. Definitely been working on that because I've realized nobody wants to look at a 5-minute to 8-minute video about a product review because it's not enough information. So hopefully this video definitely gave you guys enough information. Went ahead and did a review on these headphones. Like I said, they're okay. Definitely want to recommend them from adults. These are kid headphones, in my point of view only. Only these right here though. These are actually, let me give you the model number. These are the HP 4500B headphones. So who knows if they have some other headphones. Who knows? So like I said, if you guys definitely enjoyed this video, please go ahead and do me a big favor. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. All of my social medias are Ceejaybrand. So if you guys go ahead and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I don't have Facebook though. I do not have Facebook for you guys just yet. But I will go ahead and get that whenever I feel like getting, whenever I feel like the channel is actually constantly growing and growing, we'll go ahead and do that. So like I said, just go ahead and do me a big favor for me, please, and thank you. And we'll be back with some more content real soon. You guys should definitely check something out because we are definitely going to be unboxing. I'm not even going to show you guys. We'll just go ahead and hit the notification bell and you'll see the next video. We're going to be unboxing something else. Until next time, peace out.